Hello and welcome to what the weather forecast tells me is soon going to be another wet day in the north. I've been a bit quiet on this channel, apart from the DIY EV chats, for just all the usual reasons basically. Life has got in the way. I've been super busy with work, started a new company last year, which is soaking up all my time and all my cash. My main business is also quite busy. And then there's just, all the normal family stuff. Some of it pleasant, some of it not. Which, takes us away, takes time, takes money, and means that I've not spent as much time on the car as I would normally like to. That doesn't mean I haven't done anything though, and I have been sort of filming little bits here and there, but never quite got around to actually editing a proper video together. Every time I wave my hand, my face goes dark. This is very strange. So yeah, let me just give you a little brief update of the stuff I've been working on. A lot of my work's been on the interior. Back here we now have roll hoops. We now have a restored and rather customised subwoofer with an amplifier tucked away. The interior is still in sort of bits. I haven't finished putting back together my wireless charger because actually that's going to go up here. I'm working on a 3D printed phone mount with a levered top which locks it in to give me much nicer access to what is it called? Google Maps and all that malarkey and media and stuff. I've hidden the Bluetooth receiver back away behind the stereo, so that's all wired in now, so there's no trailing wires hanging around. Got a temporary new gear knob. This was £8 on eBay. It's nice and heavy. It used to light up apparently. It's got a little button on the top. I've got plans for this. I'm going to customise it a bit. I keep reattaching it and it keeps wobbling even though I've put thread locker on, so that's annoying, but it's better than the old one which was completely broken. Now got completely black interior door cards again. These have been deep cleaned and I've refurbished the speaker mounts. In behind those speaker grills there's now 2 speakers. I've added an extra 4.5mm speaker with some 3D printed mounts to bring it up to the sort of spec of the higher stereo spec in here. Not completely, but it's a step in the right direction. It definitely sounds better. Heated seats, and not just heated seats, nice seats. The top of the range leather seats, maybe not the top of the range ones, but some nice Z3 seats that heat up. I bought the wrong switches. These are, I guess, pre-facelift switches, so they're narrower. They work, or at least they work on the driver's side. That's weirdly the driver's side one at the moment because I've got the cables mixed up. The passenger side one doesn't work at the moment, but this is all stuff that can be fixed. So that's all the stuff inside here. On the let's turn those fans off. On the display, you'll notice it still says error for a while. I'm going to change that for boot. But once it does wake up, and it does take a little while to wake up, that's all functioning. You'll see some extra bits at the top. That is now information about the heating. And the heating's not working, but all of the heater controls are in. This is now an electric pot behind here. Connected to the heater controller, which is fully wired in and should be connected to the heater over CAN bus, but the heater's sending no signals back, so I need to get the car up on jack stands to work out why. Underneath the bonnet is probably the most exciting change. So over here is my £30 Type 1 charger from Facebook Marketplace. If we pop the rear number plate down, which is still a bit stiff. There we go. And go and get the charger. Let's hope I've got enough cable. Oh, it's a bit only just. You will notice that in there the screen is on. Maybe you can't see, but the screen is on. And in a second, you hear the cooling start under the bonnet. This clicks on and the car is charging. And we can leave it charging and balancing. No laptop required. So that's what I've been up to, all in the service of making the car more usable. Got lots of big plans this year, but if life keeps getting in the way, they're going to take as long as I thought. Second battery pack, going to go to 96S by adding another module under the front. Just recover one of my knackered modules and put one of them under the front to go to 96S, and then 6 modules in the back. Done lots of work towards that, just haven't done it yet. But that will mean I can use heating a bit more comfortably and have something like 50-mile range without heating, which is really all I need in this car. Obviously still want to add fast charging, add Chademo, and we'll see how that works. So that's it. That's all there is to tell, really. Keep watching. I'll keep doing DIY EV chats, got lots lined up. There may not be that many videos on the car in the near future, but every time I've got a few little updates, I'll drop one of these in until I get a bit more time and or a garage. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.